given me 5 questions. Now I want to accept draft and close it. Okay? Accept draft and close it. The blue button here, right here.
Hi. This is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Okay. Do you want to accept the new generated statement 1 and statement 2 draft question data? Yes.
Thank you. That is all I need to perform this request. Please wait while I perform your operations. Loading, performing operations now.
Okay, guys. We have to be very patient in this application. Well, that's alright, because it's probably very heavy.
Operation completed perfectly. Operation end.
Okay, now I'm just going to change the color of this. So go to settings. Yes. So we'll go not speak, not email, not print, not counting mode, not mode of operation, not intelligent reports, not training, not duplicate, but colors. Color settings.
You are now in the color settings section of this application.
Okay, now I'm going to click input number. So here, right here, we're in background, input number, click it, put any number you like.
Your new color has been successfully applied. Color number is 978,545. I have also copied it to your clipboard, if you would like to paste it in any other application.
Okay, nice color. Now we're going to click X. And we'll click X. We can go back, go to settings, training question generation. Now go all the way up there to question generation. Yes, good. Now, what do we click? Well, since it's our questions, we need to click PDF preview. So the questions, generate task, yes. Okay.
Hi. This is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Do you want to generate a PDF document of your operation? Yes. Yoo-hoo, wonderful. So, oh no guys, we haven't done it properly. So what we have to click is right here on the bottom. Click that. Now click that. Good. Now we have to do it again. So settings, training, question generation. Okay. Now question generation, PDF preview, right here. Generate task. Yes.
Hi. This is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Do you want to generate a PDF document of your operation? Yes, please. Good, it's done it. Now, then, there is a difference. Good. I'm going to quickly read this. You have been appointed as the auditing officer to handle the statements below. Your task ensures all statements' final balances are the same. Issue 1. Balances below balances in the below statements are not the same. Issue 2. Investigation needed. Issue 3. A new statement is needed. Task 1. You are expected to use this tool or any other tool you have to investigate the statements. After investigation, you are expected to make a new deduction, addition or removal advice to ensure the two statements match perfectly. Any other action may be required to ensure the customer is satisfied with our statements. Okay, so as you can see, there's a difference. So statement 1 has £2,600.53, and this one, statement 2, has £1,625.14. So there's a big difference, and you can use that quick allocation to calculate this. Okay, now as we move back, PDF preview. No, we don't want it as a task. Operation stopped. Okay. Generate answers. Yes.
Hi.
Okay.
This is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Okay. Do you want to generate a PDF document of your operation? Yes, I do. So yes. Well, it's the same color. It's fine. We'll change the statement colors now. Eh? Yeah, there we go. Don't know why it's copied. So, issue 1, no action needed, no action needed, no action needed. Task, no action needed, no action needed, no action needed. You might as well just change the colors. So, oops. sorry. So we go to colors, settings, then colors, not speak, not email, not print, not accounting mode, not mode of operation, not intelligent report, not training, not duplicate, but colors. Now, color settings.
You are now in the color settings section of this application.
Okay. So we're in the background, font, background. But we're in the background, so number input, number minus 918273645. Ooh, that's a little bit too many numbers.
Your new